sorry if I didn't end the vlog yesterday because I was super tired because there was a lot of activities. We have an evangelistic night, and then we have a talents night and a bonfire, so I have to organize everything, but it turned out okay. So when the event was over last night, I just fell asleep, and then here I am. So right now we are going to hike to the dam. That's why I'm wearing this suit, because we're gonna trek to the forest. Now we are hiking to going to the plantation and the dam. Grab. So over there is Bago City, and at my back is Murcia City. So we are right now crossing the border to Bago City. Right now we're climbing up this hill. It's very tiresome. I'm losing my breath. So our guide told me that there is an ongoing lawsuit between the lands here because some guy bulldozed a property which he doesn't have permission from the environmental agency. So many people complained. So the hole you just seen, our guy told us that in 2007 they found a jar full of gold coins. Maybe it's from the Japanese during World War II. Right now we just stop here because at the back someone is tired. It's so hot in here. Even we're high up the mountains, it's still hot. I don't know if you can see it, but there's an American flag over that house. I don't know who put it there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the crater of Mount Canaon over there. I don't know if you can see it, but the view over there is really beautiful. So we walk about 2 kilometers. It's really hot right now. Jay! Hi sa camera, Jay! So we just finished going to the plantation, the sugarcane fields, and we're on our way to our next destination. Right now we're going back down the hill, down the road to go to the dam site. Now we're about to go to the falls, and we're hiking down this hill. There, we're going down the hill, and I don't know if you can see it, but that's the river over there. Agini Falls? Yan, ano falls sa pwede hikingan? Ha? So if you notice, I'm using a different camera right now because my GoPro is full. The memory is full, so I bought a 64 gig. Sir, good morning. So I bought a 64 gig, but I forgot to back up last night because, like I said earlier, I just slept. I just slept last night, and because I was so tired. So right now, if you notice, I'm using a different camera because my GoPro is memory full, because last night I forgot to back up some files to the computer, to the hard drive. So I have to use this one. So later when I'm going to swim in the river, I don't know what camera to use. So right now we're on our way to the dam. This is the path. We have to go through the river. It's a good thing the river is not slippery. So I have my camera. I can't use this camera because I'm using a 50mm lens, so I didn't bring a wide angle. It's only good for portrait shots. Wow, this place is really beautiful. I don't know if you can see the background. The place is covered with trees and it's really cold here, unlike earlier that was really hot beside the road. So I think this is the place. This is the place we're going to swim. So my slipper is broken. See? Now we are on our way to the dam. We have to cross this bridge there. Hey, the water here is really nice. It's really cold. The day is very hot, but at least the water is cold, so you get to enjoy it. So this is the jungle, if you can see in the background. That's it. It's what you call in our language, wayang. So right now we're here in the dam. So that's it. This is the place. You can jump from the top over there. Arna, kuha to. Arna. Right now we just finished swimming in the dam and we are on our way back to the campsite. So this is the place. This is Hamelo Farm. This is Murcia. If ever you're here, you should visit the dam site. It's very fun. So I'm the last one. Just picking up campers. Maybe they're stranded, so that we can all go home together in the campsite. So this is the road leading back to the campsite, and that's the bridge over there at my back. It's Bago City. Now we're back here in Murcia. It's actually two different cities. Hello, amigo. So right now we're here in the campsite. This is my friend Beans, or you can call her Ate She. No, I'm not Beans. Right now we're finished giving our awards and our certificate. So right now everybody just cleaning the campsite, and after this I think we're gonna swim, and I have to contact our transport so that we can go home. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the camp. Peace.
The club around